students. I hope you are attending video lectures and completing question answers simultaneously. Student, you must have heard the term women and empowerment. What does it mean? It means allowing women to do everything what men do. Not only this, but to open the doors of all those career options which were once made dominated. When we talk women and empowerment, we have n numbers of examples before us, like Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Aishwarya Rai, and many more. The lesson I am going to discuss today also present the same example. Before I start, let me tell you about the chapter. This is chapter 2 from the main course book Breaking Barriers, class 6th. This is information and experience lesson. This lesson is an excerpt, means to take a small part from book, from Breaking Barriers from the book Women Who Fly, which narrates about the first woman fighter pilot of India. Avni Chaturvedi, written by Yuthika Bhargav, Dinakar Perry and Deepu Sebastian Edmund. In the year 2015, government had decided to admit women pilots in the fighter stream, and Avni Chaturvedi, Bhavna Kant and Mohana Singh were the first batch of women fighter pilots commissioned in Indian Air Force in 2006. And among these three, Avni became the first to complete her training. Avni shares some of his experience on her first solo flight. She says, importance of being focused, 19th Feb 2018. Avni successfully achieved her first solo sortie as a part of her training. Here sortie means taking off, completing time of flight in air and landing, that is called one sortie. So she says that the aircraft is so fast and the time to react to any situation is so little that we do not have the time to think about anything else. That means one has to be very focused that little distraction may cause anything disastrous. So one does not have time to think of things like achievements, empowerment and so on. One has to be focused only. On the very second day, on second sortie, she understands why it is important to learn the decision making skills. She was preparing to take off, but she got a warning immediately. She decided to abort the takeoff. That day she realized that decision made in a split of second can get the situation under control or push it out of control. So it is very important for a pilot to learn decision making skill as well as to be focused. Avni shares some additional information about the training of pilots. She says that a pilot has to go through 3 stages of training. In the first stage, pilot practice in basic aircraft and have to complete 55 hours of flying. In the second stage, pilot practice in advanced jet trainers and have to complete 87 hours of flying. And after the second stage, they are separated into different streams according to what they will flying now, like helicopter, transport planes or fighter jets. Those who are too fit to be fighter pilots, they continue to the third stage of training in advanced jet trainers and have to complete 145 hours of flying. And these officers further trained to fly fighter jets that can go faster than speed of sound. Avni took almost 15 months to complete her advanced jet training. She got posted to number 23rd Squadron, which flies the MiG 21 Bison. It took 4 months to go solo, and it varies one person to how quickly one learns. She says that her next goal to become a full-fledged operational pilot. So students, Avni is an example for all those who do something different. I hope these informations help you to write the answers to questions. In case if you have any doubt, you can ask when school will be reopened. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.